Hello, good afternoon. Today we'll talk about the news. Carlos?
Yes, Xavi. The bike's accident has amounted 2% in this last weekend. The stock exchange has risen. We'll talk with a shareholder.
There have been many fires in Baghdad because the forest is very shy. Now this is celebrating a demonstration against rubbish in the street.
We'll interview the Revelation Group Camelo Puntesemos. All of this and more next to the adverse news.
Okay, I will do a magic trick with this card. That's easy. I will show you. Okay, please select the card if you want. Okay, show it at the camera. Put it here. I do this, and here there is a card that turns up, but it will be her card, but this card will show me which is her card. Okay? Look, this is 4, but I think this is this card. But she shows me which is 4. There is a 4. Okay, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Okay, I know I'm the best magician of the world. I'm better than Chris Angel. I'm impressive, but if you want, you can do this. But if you buy these cards, are very cheaper. You can go in this web page or phone in this number. Okay, in this phone number. It's easy. You ask for these cards, and in a week or in 2 weeks, we'll be in your house.
Lorena's school dance. If you want to learn dance, phone at 913-459-123.
What happened? Oh, hey, Fernando, you have the best cooker of the world. Today I will show you how to do popcorn. It's very easy. You have to catch a bit of pizza, put it in the oven, and wait a minute. Ping! That's it. You catch the popcorn, and that's it. It's very easy. You can taste it. Yeah. Look. You want to taste it? Yeah. They are excellent. I know. I'm Fernando, the best cooker of the world. Do you like it?
Very good.
I'm the best cooker of the world. If you want to come to my restaurant, it's in Alemania's Street in Barcelona. Delicious.
Do you like this game? It can be yours if you phone this number. It's fantastic.
Now we are connecting with the demonstration. Clara?
Yes, Xavi? Please, come. Hurry. Hi, I'm here with one of the participation of this demonstration. Hello, what's your name?
Lorena.
Oh, Lorena, why are you here?
Because in my neighborhood the cleaners never pick up the rubbish, only 1 day a week. We call the council and they told us isn't his problem. What we are doing is that the people know our problem. Pick up the rubbish! Pick up the rubbish! Pick up the rubbish! Pick up the rubbish!
Oh, thanks, Lorena. That's all in Barcelona. If there is any problem, I will ask you. Clara Cadafal, Barcelona, TV News.
Okay, thank Clara. Now we have again Tony, a shareholder that invests 500 euros and now have 5 million euros. Please, Tony. Please, Tony, come here. We will interview you. Yeah,
Sit down.
please.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
What did you do to get rich in only invest 500?
I gave the 500 euros to one of his story and he visits in Nike, a little company.
Okay, thank you for your time. Bye. And now we'll inform you about the weather forecast.
Hello, good afternoon. Today, as you can see, has been a hot day. Tomorrow will rain at the north of Catalonia, while in the south, the sun and the clouds will be together without raining. Saturday and Sunday will be quiet. That's all for today. Thanks for your attention and have a nice day.
Now, we go to the studio where has been recorded Jonathan. Then, we'll listen one of their songs.
And now, we listen the Spanish version of Jonathan's single.
Jonathan.